We made it on the plane. Layla, say hi to the vlog. Alright, we'll see you guys in like 6 hours.
Keeping my drink in the shade, taking my time. With you by my side, Cadillac ride, jamming with the boys, on fire at night. Summer vibe, looking for a summer vibe. I paid my dues, had nothing to prove, laying on the doctor's tongue.
Did it! That's Deanna. Say hi, Deanna.
Hi.
That's Raul. Uber to go to that gas station 5 miles away to get some pods because she's a crackhead. So, alright guys, we're back. So we had to walk probably like a mile or so, and because there was like no Ubers, no Lyfts or anything like that, and Deanna was not having it. We sat there for like a good half hour debating this out. Kayla and I were just down, ready to do this, and so we finally convinced her. She was like, alright, 5 minutes, let's see if it happens. Nothing happens. Isn't the convenience store that way?
Yeah. Caitlin's on, don't press your button.
Yeah. Caitlin has no idea where she's going half the time.
Not leading
But
the pack.
Deanna's pretty tired. It's
I'm
nap
so
time for her.
exhausted, yeah.
And
Felt
I'm
like
fine.
I was-
Caitlin and I are fine.
Hi.
Hi, Deanna. Update. We're going off-roading in ATVs. Alright, Deanna, what are we doing? Ew!
Really recording me trying to throw up.
Yeah, I think it's hilarious. Oh! Update to the vlog. Haven't vlogged. Didn't vlog this morning. Didn't vlog last night. It's not like good enough content or anything like that. Like I want to show you guys, but I really want to show you guys the island. I don't want to show you this like tourist shit and that kind of stuff. Like that's not fun. So we decided to go quadding. We rented it out. It's dirt cheap, like $150 for a driver, 100 for like passenger. It's not bad at all. But this fucking view. Look at that. Absolutely fucking beautiful. Drops GoPro.
Now get in your last swings, make them count.
Try to attempt the back.
You can do a back flip if you want. You gotta swing the legs back first though. Swing them back and up.
Cannonball!
Nice cannonball. Good form.
Deanna passed out. She's taking a nap. Update to the vlog. Alright, so earlier we did the whole four-wheeling thing off-roading, so I'm like low-key kind of out of it. It's like midnight in Washington, but it's like 9 o'clock here. But did that. Nothing too much else after that. Like we just went back, took a nap. Everyone was kind of chilling. I was editing photos. I went to sunset. The sunset's absolutely beautiful here. It's crazy. Next thing. Now we're here at dinner, we're celebrating Deanna's birthday. That's Deanna. And so we're doing that. Yeah, I know. So we're gonna do that, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. We're just gonna chill tonight. So nothing too exciting. This is gonna go throughout like the last few days I've been here in Hawaii. Hopefully I look darker. I'm probably still look pale as fuck, but I'm glad you guys got to see this trip. So see you guys at home. Peace. Deanna, what's a drug? He's sneaking drugs over. Alright, what's up guys? I'm back. Just got back from Hawaii. We landed last night at I think like 10, maybe a little earlier. So I didn't vlog or anything like that at the airport. Nothing too exciting. I was a little more on the tired side. But basically, you guys got to see what happened and everything like that. Super fun. I think I have more cinematic footage than I planned on, but that's totally fine. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I have more vlogs coming. I'm moving soon, so you guys will see that. So that's going to be really fun. And that's pretty much it. Just wanted the guys to give you just a little more of an update and end the vlog. So yeah, I'll catch you guys soon. I got a special video for you guys next. Peace. Alright guys, I'm back from